Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Thursday to you. Second day of the government shutdown. Let's see how long this thing gonna stay down. I actually think it's gonna be down. I did hear something on the radio yesterday saying that a lot of the executives or whoever are out of the office won't be back to Monday, so that's when they can start getting the votes in or start voting. Or so I guess this thing gonna be down for like a week or two, man. Some people say I was talking in the gym last night, they saying they think gonna be down for at least two weeks minimum. But we gonna see, man. Now y'all got these dividends coming in, y'all gonna be all right. Put your money in the market. Stop being afraid. Buy these dips. And we're gonna get to it. Y'all subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Watch my recent videos. Share my channel also. Um, Urgent buys, urgent sales. I did have land. Like I give these videos to y'all unedited, man. Give me some likes. Give me something trying to spread and grow this channel. Gladstone land, I have been buying any because I like it at 9 and under. Clearly see it's trading over $9.30. I now have an average cost of 63.37 shares at 971. I sold, as you can see here, 22 shares at 944. Why did I sell there? I accumulated a bunch of shares to show you right here. All down to 880, 889, 892, 884, 886, 879, 8, so on. So at the $9 and under mark, I've been buying just for me to do this quick swing trade to lower my average cost. Let's go check out OPI. This one here coming down, about to start buying this. Once this hit about 22 cents, got a right now dividend yield of 13.39%. I should have sold it when it went up to that 117. I thought it was gonna go higher, but I forgot to set my stop loss. My fault. I could have been out. TSLY had an ex-dividend date on yesterday. It's gonna pay 80 cents a share for this month. Got 160 shares in this portfolio. I got like 300 plus shares in my Webull. So that's gonna be a nice payout here. Y'all should get that payout tomorrow. What other one came out yesterday? Got USOY. That had the ex-dividend date. That's paying USOY getting killed too, man. Going to get some of that anyway. That's on the list. See, not loading up on anything. They paying 9 cents. They're still paying 9 cents a share a week, man. I don't see why people not loading up on this thing. This thing shouldn't be no lower than like $9 a share, you might think, but just everybody moving into ULTY. Which I went in and brought $3 worth of this already. I put a buy order in at $5.41 also. That's paying 9 cents a share a week. Yes, everybody loading up over there. All right, let's go on and get our trades in. Got PSEC for the day. $2.69. Dividend yield right now is paying 20.11%. I'm going to get 2 shares of this. I got a buy limit order at 260. I think for 250 shares. And I'm going to rinse and repeat. The other day I sold 175 shares at 277. It went up to 280. You had some people went in and brought like 2.5 million, a billion worth. So a squeeze, I had a squeeze. That's why it's up now. Cause last week it was trading in the 260th range. And now I got 2,145 shares at $3.91. Got a dividend coming out right now, 2,140 shares, 96.34. LFT also went and bought some more shares of that on a buy limit order. 199 to low today. Right now I'm at 232. So definitely buying this here. This gonna be a swing. They ain't gonna hold it for the dividend. They got a 52-week high, like 280 something. Come on, man. Let's go on through with these trades. Don't start this today, Robinhood. Got some stuff I got to do today, so I'm trading early. Got to get up out of here. So come on, let's go. All right, LFT. Did land, TSLY. Like I said, at the ex-dividend date, so right now it's coming down. Yesterday it had a high of $9.69. If y'all want to lower your average cost, you can. I'm not buying it because it's too high for me. I like it at $8 and under. I don't even touch it when it's this high. Glad it is, so I can cash up. Fiat going in at 252. You might ask why this keep dropping. Not gonna load up because this can come down some more. Like I told you, this is the inverse of Coinbase. So when Coinbase is up, it's gonna be down. Like right now, Coney is at 717. It's green. So the more Coinbase and Coney go up, the more it's gonna come down. Then when Coney and Coinbase come down, it's gonna go up. So when this go, you buy right now because it's winter for it. And when it goes up, that's when you sell it. Or if it goes up and stay up, the more it goes up for that period of time, the higher the dividend payout going to be. All right, we got Dow. This dollar cost averaging down in this one. This is a quarterly dividend play. Not a bad one to have. DEA. It's another one. They rent out the property to the government. Another nice one to have. Not loading up on anything. Just dollar cost averaging on down. ORC. This is on my list because usually I take profit on this. I just make me a little 12 to 20 cent. This got up to 7.24 today. I'm thinking about taking profit on all those shares I brought. Then I'm thinking about keeping it. I don't know. I'm going to see. I got to go total up how many shares I got. I know I could probably got about 300 something shares. I can let rip now. ARR. Haven't been buying this because right now it's kind of high. They brought the price target down to $16 a share. This still is a buy. I'm going to see if it pulled back below the $15 before I buy it. I can put money in other places. MSTY. This one here coming on up. I'm at 1553. It's at 1448. This dollar cost averaging on in. Like I say, not loading up, building my position out. I did buy 25 shares at 1410. That when this goes up, go back to 16, them shares, I'm going to sell it. Get my money back, rinse and repeat, because I know after the ex-dividend date, it's going to come right back down. I went back to ULTY. Guess I go and get me another $2 worth while I'm here. Give me y'all everything I brought today. I went and brought $5 of Brown Forman to bring down my average cost. I went and got $10 worth of UPS. Got that. Let's look at Ybit. I like this at 10 and under. That's the way it is. Add a little $5 on, a little half a share. PFLT also pays out monthly, 10.2 cents a share a month. Taking advantage of the opportunity, especially at the 9 and under mark. LYB, Lionel Basel, dividend play. $20 worth of that. Definitely need to attack it under these numbers, under the $50 range. This right now, I got a dividend yield 11.19%. 52 say hold, 32 say buy. 52-week high 96.80. The longer this go and stay down, the more this 52-week high gonna come on down. I don't think it's gonna see that again. But I'm buying so when they run and rip, I can take me some profit, keep the rest for the dividend. This be a nice swing trade there. CHMI going in at 242. It's also gonna be a swing trade at $3 and over. And collect that nice juicy dividend. Another one, I went and got $50 worth for this. This gonna give you 8% dividend yield return. I brought it at 41.32. Just dollar cost averaging down in this 52-week low 39.08. High 42.09. Like I say, this is a dividend play, just getting some return on your money. Blackstone C and Loan ETF. So that's another one I'm buying. Take less risk. It pay like 25 to 27 cents, 28 cents a share a month. I went and got some more Diageo to come down in that. I went and got some Capital One. I like the financials. Another one I went and got 80% buy, 20% hold. This one I'm just gonna buy and hold for the longest. People gonna use credit cards. They're gonna use debt. That's just what it is. I also got Western Union, American Express, and Visa, MasterCard. I got all those. Not my Western Union. I mean, I don't know why I just said that because I'm here, but Western Union, I think I'm taking profit at $8.50. All the stuff I'm buying. Rinse and repeat. COST, Costco. Definitely went and got some of this. Walmart and Costco I'm feeling. Kroger's cool, but I'm going to ride out with these three. Kraft Foods, $25.97. Got down to today. Like I said, I need to bring out my average cost on this one. This going to be just an income play, man. I don't think this going to be too much growth. 52-week highs at 36.31, 6.09% yield. We'll see what's going to happen. Like I say, once it go up, I'm taking my money and I'm out of here. I'm done with the food industry. I'm going to take my stuff on Wendy's. I'm going to get out, and I'm going to get out on Western Union. It's better, bigger banks. And you got SoFi coming up. They're going to be the competition for everybody. $12.92, I went in at Flowers Food. Right now, dividend yield 7.45%. PE ratio 12.64. 52-week high is $23. Will it $23.44? Will it get there? Is the question. That's another one I'm gonna get rid of. Ready Capital, taking advantage of this dip. Another swing trade. Gonna sell this around $4.25, $4.50. $3.76. Will get me 5 more shares. And you could hold it and make that good juicy dividend. Interest rate gets cut. This gonna go up. 16.36% yield right now. WMT Walmart pulling back at like $101, $100. I got this on recurring investment. Going to get another $1 worth with it, $2 worth today. WEN Wendy's. Where we at? 9.33. This dollar cost averaging on in. We got AFCG. Alpha Gamma AFCG. 385. Look like got lower than that. 383. Dividend yield 22.28. Payout quarterly. It's gonna be another swing trade here. $4.50. Actually, I sold this at like $5.15 last time. 52-week high is $10.50. PE ratio 9.36. All right, let's go check our traps. Finish this trade up for the day. Knock out tomorrow, and y'all back to the weekend again. Gonna see what's gonna happen. The longer this shutdown is, the more the stock market gonna come down. OXSQ 3.5 cents a share a month. $1.57. Get 5 shares of this every day. Another one I got to point out to y'all. This happened yesterday at the market. Charge point. I put a sell limit. I had 45 shares I brought. I put a sell limit order at $11.70. All these shares I brought at 45 shares at $11.70. I brought all these shares at $10 and under, between $10 and $9.50. Now they brought my average calls down to $15.74. That's why I say rinse and repeat on this stuff. Stop trying to hold out for the long run and all that stuff. The market not what it is. People in here gambling, people trading. Especially you got a gambling habit. You like gambling. The stock market is perfect for you because you never down until you sell. So that same rush you get from gambling, you can get inside the market and take less risk. So people shorting stuff on purpose and all that kind of stuff. It might be a good old company, but you know, the cheaper it is, the more they gonna try to short it. When they want to squeeze it up, they'll squeeze it up. That's why I say so. You got to monitor, take a little profit, especially with them volatile stocks like that. I was in the forum on Webull, and they say some of the people that work, the insiders that work for Charge Point, they went to selling shares. So I say you make a little bit and keep it moving. I got buy limit orders right now at $10 and under. To get like $10.25, I start nibbling at it, buying $3 here, $5 here. But I need to get my average calls down in that. It's a long-term play. I might just take my money and run and put it in a ULTY where I can get something every week and keep it moving. One thing about a growth stock, you don't get no money until you sell it. And I'm using margin to buy it, so I ain't got time. So if I'm going to spend that margin money, I need to be getting some dividends for it. Comcast, $30.48. It's another one I'm going to dump. It is a dividend play. Some call this a buy and hold stock. You can't pay no bills with this yield. 4.14%. So I'm lowering my average calls. Do have a 52-week high, 45 and some change. The question is, will it ever go back there? CHCT is another one I've been slipping on, 1508. Put that back on my list. CHCT. There's some other ones from yesterday. I added on GMRE. GMRE. MFIC. And OCSL. Alright, I put them in at the end of the trade. BDN too. Brandywine. Another quarterly paying REIT. You bring down my average call, some in that one. RPT. 257. Going at 252. Before this decide to go up. RVSB, that's going to get sold. Going to get rid of that one too. USOI. Know how I miss this one. I get this every day. Take advantage of these prices. Come down to that one. Two Harbors yesterday went back above the $10 mark. I only buy this at 10 and under. DISO. Bring that average cost down. XOMO right under it. Get that dividend yield. Did Walmart, worrying about Tesla. Tons at 1003, 1048. That's what I'm probably gonna dump to. Like IWMI at the 23 and under mark, which is where it's at now. That's the opposite on the Russell 2000 that pay out weekly. Bring my average cost down there. Did Fiat, USOY. Got DEA. This one here, Game and Legion REIT. 32, I'm at 40. Another nice quarterly REIT to have. Dividend yield is 10.72%. You guys are buying the whole 37.5%, whole 62.5% buy. 52-week high, $49. 30.28 is the 52-week low. Another one I added on, man, is Bull. We got $2 worth for this today. I'm a dollar cost average into this one. And I went and got $1 Hood. Robinhood been on the tail. I'm definitely going to be buying those two. Let's look at the ones I left off from yesterday. Go check these out. MFIC. 1190. 1310. OCSL. 1306. I'm at 1520. And that's everything for today, y'all. Stay safe out there. Signing off. Go get your money.